Okay, so we have another tool which will make us all dumb and lazy, but at least we will never miss again the Nichabanga, curse analysis, the Parivartana, the exchange between the planets across all the Vargas, also Atmakaraka, which planet is rejecting, partial drishti, which is so hard to find sometimes, and also across all Vargas. And again, it's super easy. You have to just download the HTML. So it works in every browser, and then you just copy. Now you are copying the planet information from Devaguru. So I will show you which settings I have here, so you will not incur any errors there. And then you paste it in the box, and it is giving you all the information about those planets which you mentioned before. Yesterday's session about the Dasha was for more advanced people. Today's tool is for everyone, whether you are doing readings for your clients or for yourself and your close ones. So here we have a chart of Dr. Dre, and to just see the settings of the planets, how I have it, so there will not be any problems there. So we are just copying this, and we are pasting that to that box again here. And this is just set how I want it to be for my readings. So the main bottlenecks I have in my readings here, I've tried to resolve, and I've tried to do it many times before, like in Visual Basics or in the Excel sheet, but now with AI we can make it much more effective. Okay, so the first thing is about the Vargas about to change. This is good for rectification. So he sees basically the ascendant degree. Here it is 734, and he is giving you which Varga is very fast to change. And this is very important for rectification, because then you know which chart to start with the information, right? To rectify the chart. Like 730, we know D4 is changing. So he is listing you all the Vargas which are then, these demarcation points are on the edge, and you are close to that change. Of course, if you are doing that for many years, you will have it all memorized, but sometimes you may forget those Varga edges which are not always or not often used. Like for example, here I would not check D16, which also changes at 730. It's very useful for rectification. Now the planets and lordship, this is giving you the houses placements for these Vargas, and the D30 we are using the Venkatesha Trim Shamsa, which we are using in the tradition more. This is giving you here Ucha and Nicha. So Ucha is exaltation, Nicha is debilitation, and it also gives you, if there is a Nicha Banga, it will put here the plus. So if you have 3 pluses, this is the like 75% of Nichabanga. If it's exalted in Navamsha, it will give you here 4 pluses. So also now you know which planet gets full Nichabanga. Like also important information, if I will be improving that, you will get the updated link in that location from which you have downloaded the file. Something which we very often forget, this is the Parivartana. So it lists you all Parivartana, not only in the D1, but in all the important Vargas. Then we have the Affliction. And this is also for all Vargas. So it is giving you all type of affliction. It is not only joined and aspected by malefics, we have also those more advanced things like being in Kendra 2 malefics, or malefics being in 4th and 8th, Papa Carteri and all that, and again for all the Vargas. Very, very handy, especially if you are connecting D1 and D9, you want to double check which planet are afflicted. For example, here we see that only Venus is in Dr. Dre chart afflicted, nothing else. Right? Very interesting. Only Venus is afflicted. So this is very rare situation here. So such nuances you can get from this table. Then we have the cursed candidates. So he is listing joined, Papakartari, and afflicted by at least 2 malefics. So you have those candidates. Then you can do the additional work to find the main curse planet. Here you're listing you all the lordship. This is more for some nodes and things like that. So they are all listed. And the last thing is the VGA Matrix Chart, which is showing you all sign position of planets throughout the Vargas. This is very handy for Rasi Dashas. Like when you are using Narayana Dashas and you know that this sign is not only activated in the Rashi, it goes through all the Vargas, then you will see the power of this table, because then you can see all the things which will get activated. And especially here, the red one is the Varga Lordship. So it also gives you which Lord is activated in that Varga. And here it repeats the state of the planet, debilitated or exalted. So there is also a whole lecture you can get how to read Audaika and Narayana Dasha. So then this table gets even more usage. There are some additional things, like here you have this runaway yogas listed. And here the Nichabanga is giving you how strong is the Nichabanga. And also we have the table partial drishti. So all the Vargas, and in all Vargas the partial drishti is there. You have the Badaka sign, not only planets in the Badaka, but also planets lording the Badaka. You have a Digbala listed, planets which are badly placed from other based on the Pachakadi Sambandha. And also you have which planet are badly placed from Atmakaraka, also Maranakaraka and Pachakadi style. So there is also those, for those who are learning from our tradition, they will know what to do with that. Otherwise, there are many other universal things which you can use. All right. So again, there is the link in the description. You can write me an email or in the comments what to improve or if there are any hiccups here. So I wish you a lot of fun with that tool and see you in the next one.